Good morning, all the students. Today we are discuss your important topic, introduction of pharmacology. So, in this topic, we are discuss about your topic like a definition of pharmacology, type and classification of pharmacology, and pharmacodynamics. So, in this study, pharmacodynamics is we are discuss like action, therapeutic, adverse effect, and toxic effect, etc. And pharmacokinetic, we are study like absorption, drug absorption, distribution, metabolism, interaction of drug, and as well as the last part of the excretion of drug. So we are discuss in unit of one. So we are discuss each and everything about your topic. So let us start the basic introduction of pharmacology. So pharmacology is the meaning of the pharma is like a drug and logy must be knowledge. So what is the meaning of pharmacology? Pharmacology is the study or science of drugs. So in this study we are discuss pharmacology is the study of drug and knowledge of a drug. So pharmacology is the science of a drug derivative from the two Greek word pharmakon like a Greek word of drug. Pharmakon is like a meaning of drug, and laws is in Greek word. It is also Greek word. It's the meaning of the science. So meaning of drug and science. So meaning of the knowledge of the drug and knowledge of the science. So it is the study of the action of drug on the living system like animals and as well as the human. What is the drug effect on the human body and as well as the animal body on the it can be effect on the living things. So it's including like a physically, chemically property and biochemically and physiologically effect like what is the effect on the living system, and it can be a show the mechanism of action and therapeutic use, and last one is the adverse effect of drug. What is the adverse effect, what is the harmful effect drug how can to produce on the drug on the living system. So what is the meaning of drug? Any chemical substance that affect on the process of a living system. I already told you living organism like bacteria, human, animals, all the things we can survive on the earth. So it can be a living organism. So drug is a meaning of any chemical substance. It can be effect on the living system. So that meaning of the drug. So pharma meaning I already told you. Pharma is meaning of the drug. Drug is any chemical substance. It can be effect on the living system. Logic is a knowledge about the drug. Knowledge about the drug, we are know about how to drug action on the body. It is a basic on the pharmacodynamic as well as the pharmacokinetic. So that's the meaning of the pharma. Pharma is a drug and logy is a meaning of knowledge of a drug. Knowledge of a drug, how to drug action on the body and how to drug effect on the body, and what is the way of drug action on the body. So it's is all about the in the nutshell. It is a knowledge about a drug. So pharmacology is the study or science of a drug. So history of the pharmacology. So mainly history of the pharmacology is a knowledge of a drug and their use in the disease and as old as a history to mankind. So mainly man is a rather the knowledge of a healing, how to prevention the drugs, how to prevention and how to cure the disease. So that is the meaning part of the old disease history. So medicine by the observing of the nature. So mainly drug we can obtain from the nature. So it can be not write down the what is the drugs, what is which drugs when which on the drug on effect on the body. It is basically on the we can find out the drug all the in the natures, so that it can be write down the what is the effect of which drug which plants affect on the body. So it can be a write down on the history part. So the main the animals whilst is ills, so the person is experience after the consuming plant and herbal as the remedially. So it can be a natural process, it can be a healing process. So it some drug is it can be find out in the accidentally. So pharmacology is the presence from the relatively recent branch about 100 years old. So history and development in the pharmacology. So like it was these greater herbal materials in a medica right in the China. So it can be a 2700 BC. So it was these greater herbal materials. So it can be found only in oldest age. And last and other drugs like 2000 BC is and the oldest in Egyptians documentary containing the information about a veterinary medicine. So veterinary medicine it can be effect on the drug and how to prevent the animals disease through by herbal drugs and natural plants. It can be a veterinary product. So it can be a write down the Egyptian time. So other one is a 5050 BC is also Egyptian documentary contain the information about the number of a disease, and 829 is prescription. So where is a like a cholesterol oil, opium like a drug or a beginning disease. So it can be a opium's drug. Opium mainly is a narcotic drug. So it can be a study on the BC time. So Egyptian time. So it can be a documentary containing information about the number of a disease, so how to prevent and which drug it can be a prevention and it can be accidentally invention. So all the drugs is write down on the systematically and it can be write down on the history of age. So mainly historically development in pharmacology like Hippocrates. Hippocrates is a 460 and 375 BC is a Greek physicians considered is a father of a medicine. Mainly Hippocrates is a father of a medicine. So he was the first person who recognized in a disease as the abnormal reaction of the body. So mainly Hippocrates is a 460 BC and 375 BC. So it is who is the Hippocrates? It is a Greek physician considered. So others name is the father of a medicine is a Hippocrates. Hippocrates is the father of a medicine. So he was the first person who is recognized in a disease as a abnormal reaction of the body. So he introduced use of the malactic salt for a treatment of a disease. So other one is the Thracians in the is a Greek Hippocrates called as the father of the pharmacognosy. So he is classified on the medicinal plant on the base of a medicinal characteristic. So other one like a historically development in the pharmacology in the Greek in produce and one of the first materials in medica of the approximately 500 plants it can be a use of the medicinal plant. So on the other hand, the first attempt of the considered in the theoretically background of the pharmacology. So Swings Victor the almost is the grandfather of the pharmacology. So he introduced on the use of a chemical. So he can be a use of the 1493. He was the first time use of the chemicals. It can be a treatment of a disease. Hippocrates is a use of the some salt treatment of the disease. But on the other hand, Paracelsus is a 1493. He was first time use of the chemicals used for the treatment of a disease. So these are the main part of the importance of your history. But nowadays modern pharmacology is the consisting of the old medicine into the modern pharmacology is started taking in its share in the following on the introduction of a animal experimentation. So nowadays we are use of a number of a animals we can use for the testing of a drug and drug discovery and as well as the development of drug. We can use of the number of animals we can testing day by day. It can be a successful story in the history and as well as the present date. So we can use in the number of a chemical testing on the other animals and treatment and development of a drug in the modern pharmacology. So isolate of action of an ingredient from the plant. So nowadays oldest medicine into a modern pharmacology is starting taking a share following of the introduction of a animal experience. So isolation of a active ingredient from the plant. So like a modern pharmacology. So on the other hand is the modern pharmacology in Oswald Smith in the father of the pharmacology. So estimate